Hey everyone, it's Miss Mac here with another pretty short video. This time our video is focusing on finding the equation of a line in slope-intercept form from a slope and a point. So our learning objective for this video is we can write the equation of a line by using the slope and one ordered pair. So first, let's just review what slope-intercept form is. Slope-intercept form is the format of a linear equation that gives us the slope and the y-intercept, and it's written in the format y equals mx plus b. M in this equation represents the slope, as you can see here, and b represents the y-intercept. And this is a really, really helpful equation format for us to use because it gives us enough information to be able to graph this line if we wanted to. So here is the example that we will be working with. It says, write the equation in slope-intercept form of the linear function represented by the table below. And in this example, we were not given the slope. So the first thing that we need to do is calculate the slope. The focus of this video is not to be able to calculate the slope. I've shown my work here for how we calculate the slope, but if you're still confused on how to do that, we have another video that reviews that concept, so go ahead and watch that one. But here we have our calculation for the slope. We use the slope formula, and I calculated our slope to be 1.07. So now we're ready to calculate or to find the equation of this line in slope-intercept form. I'll remind us of slope-intercept form here. Y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope, b is our y-intercept. Okay, so the way we will do this is we will use our slope, and we will use one of the 2 points that we are given here. I'm going to choose to use 3 and 0. And we will find our y-intercept, and we will replace everything in this equation that we already know. And the only thing that's going to be left for us to find is b. So I'll replace y with 0. I will replace m with 1.07. And I will replace x with 3. And what we have left is just to find b. Okay, so b is our only unknown in this situation. So let's do the multiplication right here first. We have 1.07 times 3, which gives us 3.21 plus b. All of that is equal to 0. Our goal is to get b by itself, so we need to subtract 3.21 from both sides. Okay, so that we have b all by itself. When I take away 3.21 from itself, that leaves me with just b, because this cancels out to make 0. And I have 0 minus 3.21, which is negative 3.21. And that is going to be equal to our y-intercept. So now we know slope. Now we know y-intercept. We can rewrite this equation in slope-intercept form. We have y equals 1.07x minus 3.21. And you'll notice that when we write our equation in slope-intercept form, we leave x and y here. And the reason we do that is because we want to be able to plug in any x and see what our y value would be, or alternatively plug in any y and see what our x value would be. So we want to leave x and y in this equation. What we do substitute in is our slope m and our y-intercept. Finally, I always suggest checking your work in Desmos before you're sure that you've completed this problem. So in order to check my work, I put both of the ordered pairs from this problem or from this table into Desmos. And then I put the equation that I found also into Desmos just to make sure that the line that I found went through both of the points that I was given to begin with. And it did. It worked out. So before you move on from any problem, do yourself a favor, check your work in Desmos so that you know you got it correct. All right, everyone, that's all for today. If you still have questions or are stuck, go ahead and watch this video one more time. And if you're still stuck after that, shoot Miss Mac an email. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe on your way out. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.